Programming your Ford Explorer key fob yourself is possible and saves money. This process synchronizes the fob's radio frequency with your vehicle. The method varies by model year. Here are the key fob components you'll be working with. Different fob variations exist depending on your model. For models from 2011 to 2016, follow these steps involving ignition cycling and button sequences. For newer models from 2017 to 2024, you can hold buttons for several seconds or use the FordPass app for wireless pairing. Remember to test the programmed fob in a secure area to avoid accidental lockouts. If your DIY programming fails, issues can arise from using aftermarket fobs, which might void your warranty. Error messages like "key not recognized" may appear on the dashboard. A significant trend is the shift to digital and hybrid key systems. As of 2025, many new Ford vehicles feature digital key technology, pairing via NFC or Bluetooth. Hybrid fobs combine physical buttons with smartphone backup. Ford plans to integrate AI-assisted pairing in the future. Increased encryption, like rolling codes, enhances security. While DIY methods are popular, experts recommend professional help for newer models to avoid security vulnerabilities and potential repair costs averaging $150. Always use OEM fobs for best compatibility.